Imagine a world where weather isn't just a force of nature, but a tool of power. Today, that future might already be here. I'm sharing findings from the Global Environmental Ethics Observatory, focusing on a new threat: strategic weather manipulation. This isn't science fiction. It's fast becoming a reality, one that challenges national sovereignty and climate stability. Let's start with the basics. What are these weather control systems? Cloud seeding is the most familiar. Chemicals like silver iodide are spread by planes or drones to make it rain. It sounds harmless, but it can push storms from one region to another, shifting droughts and floods in ways never intended. Then there's HAARP, the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program. Ostensibly for ionospheric research, it uses powerful radio waves that, according to some, could disrupt jet streams, even create artificial storms or block sunlight. Stratospheric aerosol injection, or SAI, is next. This method proposes to cool the Earth by spraying particles high into the atmosphere. But it can also throw off rainfall patterns and trigger unpredictable climate effects. And what about directed energy systems? Think high-energy lasers or microwaves paired with atmospheric particles, potentially used to redirect storms or disperse rain. Right now, this is theoretical, but the implications are huge. Who's involved? Around the globe, more than 40 countries use or test weather modification. The United States has HAARP in Alaska. China's Tianyi project aims for artificial rain and snow, raising eyebrows over weather theft. The UAE uses drones for cloud seeding, while Russia's cold region operations manage snow on a massive scale, sometimes for military purposes. So why does this matter for national defense and policy? Artificial droughts can devastate agriculture. Floods, storms, or hail can sabotage economies. There's even the risk of forced migration, climate refugees driven out by manipulated weather. And unlike conventional weapons, this technology is deniable and hard to trace, making it the perfect covert tool. While the 1977 NMOD treaty technically bans weather warfare, modern technologies often slip through legal cracks, masked as scientific research. The environmental and humanitarian impacts are just as alarming. Engineered droughts and floods can disrupt monsoon cycles, speed up desertification, threaten food security, and put incredible stress on communities, especially in developing regions. These aren't just technical issues. They're violations of natural law affecting indigenous lands and ecosystem rhythms. Why would anyone pursue a global weather agenda? It's about leverage, enforcing global governance, controlling water and arable land, even creating crises for profit or military advantage. Whoever controls the technology could control the climate and, with it, the fate of nations. So what can be done? First, I recommend forming national meteorological intelligence units. Monitor your skies, track suspicious weather, unusual flights, or unexplained atmospheric activity. Pass laws to ban unauthorized weather modification in your airspace, and demand transparency from foreign actors and global labs. Insist on independent environmental reviews for all geoengineering proposals. And finally, pressure international forums to update the NMOD treaty and create a global weather justice coalition. Ask yourself, are we experiencing unexplained weather events or crop failures? Have we seen unapproved flights or chemical dispersals? Is our airspace protected from outside interference? In conclusion, while natural climate change grabs headlines, the silent rise of weather manipulation is becoming a critical threat. If left unchecked, these technologies could undermine economies, democracy, and the very stability of nations. It's time for sovereign governments to treat climate manipulation not just as a scientific curiosity, but as a matter of urgent national security.